Hey yo, what is up people? Welcome back to One to Step YouTube channel. It's me, Richie Kevin, and this video is on Paylocity. So for those people who do not know Paylocity, Paylocity is an American software company which provides cloud-based payroll. So if you guys do not know what payroll is, then basically you can set up a payroll of an employee and basically it's gonna pay that employee on that time and how much you want to pay. And you can do other stuffs as well as like tax pay and other stuff. If you guys have like a business company, it will be useful for you, alright? So this is just a basic information about it. If you guys need to know more about it, you can visit its official website to know more about it. But this video is not on that. This video is on how you guys can log in into it. So let's get right into the point. So how you guys can log in into it is follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. Let's get right into the video. You want to go to your search engine and search for Paylocity login. After you search for it, you want to click on where it says Paylocity over here, which is the first option. After you click on it, it's going to take you to the website of Paylocity. Once you're over here, you want to enter a company ID. After entering your company ID, you want to enter a username and password. And after entering all this, you want to click on login and you should be able to log in into your Paylocity account if the information you typed over here is correct. If the information you typed over here is not correct, you won't be able to log in into your account. So make sure to double check what you typed and make sure it is correct and click on login. You should be able to log in into your account. And if you want to sign up into it, you can click on where it says register new user to register as a new user in Paylocity. In other words, sign up into Paylocity. So hope you guys were able to understand the video because that's how you guys can log in into Paylocity. If you guys did, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Until then, it's me, Richie Kevin, signing out. And stay tuned to our channel One Step for future videos.